The life-saving multi-tool every car needs. Kelvin 8 is an all-in-one emergency tool that combines 8 essential safety tools into one compact portable device. Power bank with hand crank guarantees you'll always be able to call for help. Seatbelt cutter and window breaker for escaping dangerous situations. Flashlight, alarm, and SOS signal to call for help and navigate the darkness. 100 decibel siren to attract attention. Be prepared and be sure to keep your loved ones prepared for any roadside emergency with Kelvin 8.
And now we are talking about this very handy item, the Kelvin .8 Automotive Emergency Multi-Tool. This 7-in-1 car tool is a charger, emergency window hammer, seatbelt cutter, siren, LED flashlight, electronic flare, and hand crank generator. The multi-tool is usually $49, but we're taking 20% off, so it only costs you $39.95, and it all fits in your glove box.
What's up, guys? This little device is the Kelvin 8 Emergency Multi-Tool, and it's a must-have to keep in your car in case of emergency. So this tool has a seatbelt cutter, a window breaker, a flashlight with 3 modes, including a strobe mode to be able to draw attention. There's an electronic flare and safety flasher, which you can attach to the outside of your car at night with these 4 magnets so that you're visible to other people. There is a 100 decibel siren. And a really cool feature is that this operates as a power bank, so you can plug in and charge your phone if for some reason you're stranded and your car dies. So you can also crank this by hand to charge its battery so that you never run out of power. Or if you're near power, just use a USB to charge it. So this is compact, lightweight, can easily fit in your glove box, take with you, something you definitely need to have on hand in case of an emergency. You can go to kelvintools.com to check it out, and you can also use promo code Kelvin8 to get 30% off.